Hello from Slovenia again. For those who watched me 2 days ago, I did some Christmas ornaments, baubles, with dipping them into the paint, and I sealed them. They are so shiny and smooth. They are just gorgeous. Love this one with the gold and purple. And I will show you today how I do this. These two are gorgeous too. I love those colors, really do. I use this Pentart Pouring glaze, and because I want to seal some of my, I will just put this that I will be more in focus. I want to seal those two wooden MDF boards too. I will just put this bubble on the wooden board, and I will help myself with this thing. I don't know the English word. I bet that you don't know Slovenian one neither. Slovenian word for this is pinceta. Just have to open this. Have to help myself a little bit. And then I will use, after I will seal this, I will use some my old ornaments and make it bright new with this technique. So you don't need to buy new ones. I have those here. Just a second. That I'm not using them anymore, so I will just renew them. But first, let's seal this. So I will basically just grab this one, and I have my box here where I will put my ornament on. So no, I didn't try that before, so but I don't want to lose this thing, so I will basically, and this pouring glaze dries in few hours, but it looks almost like resin, so I really like it. It's not cheap, but anyway. Okay, so let's put this on the stick. No, the stick is not. It's too. Let's do this one. It will be easier. Okay. So I will have to pour a little more on. Sorry guys, but this is how it is when you try things for the first time. I will just grab a little spoon if I have one, because I need to add a little more. Where Where is the spot that I miss some? Stay! Just pour a little bit here. Okay. This is done. Let's remove it. And now I will just pour a little more on this one. And I will tilt it around to that one. Okay. This one is done. Add a little more. Or you can tape your sides and you will keep, you know, more of this, but I forgot that I was thinking about that before I started, but I forgot. Okay, it is self-leveling, so should be okay. And with one layer you get really nice coverage, so, and shine, so it's really good product. So I will put these two aside too, and then we will do our baubles, our ornaments, renew them. Okay. So I have those bubbles here, and I have some wooden thing, so I will talk about it later. And I did clean them with rubbing alcohol, that they are clean. And I have my paints from yesterday's flower. I just add some gold, and my pouring medium is just Craft Smart white glue, mixed approximately 2:1 with paints. Why I put my gloves off? Because I will need my gloves. Grab some gloves because they are okay. So I will just layer paints into this cup. Okay. And I will start with this Garnet. This is Extreme Sheen Garnet. Layer this one, and this is my pearl white mixture. And I will drizzle some black, not a lot, just for some contrast maybe. And this is Windsor Newton Permanent Magenta. And I have 24K gold DecoArt extreme sheen. Okay, and this should be enough, and I will grab my bubble. I have it on this, I poke a hole in this cup, so I have them like that, and press it down. And up. And there is not enough paint, so I will just add a little more of this Garnet. I will use this paint at the end, so don't worry. And let's add some black here. And some pearl white. And magenta. And gold. Let's do it again. Okie doke. This is one, and the paint will flow down, so it will cover this. You can help it with your fingers a little bit. So let's do another one. We'll just try to play with it a little bit. Okay. Interesting one. Now stay. Doke. Let's pour a little more gold. And a little more white if I have some left. Really like this one. Last one. kind of like this swirly look, so I will re-dip the first one. I will just grab this little palette knife and grab some paint and add it to the places that it's not a lot of coverage, so I can help the paint flow. Wow, this one is just beautiful. Look at this one. So I will dip the first one once more. I like this swirly thing, have to say. So dip and swirl around. Wow, I like that. So let me start with this bubble. You see that it's already drying. I love it. It's so shiny. Okay, and those two are drying. They are still wet, but they will be as shiny as this bubble is. And now to the glue ornaments. I will say that I like my pouring medium more, because this glue, it's okay, but not as nice effects, even though that I like those that I poured over, but I don't know. And the little ones are drying there, and I poured over this star, but as I said, I'm not as happy as I was. This will be some beautiful skins here. See that? As with my pouring medium. But just to show you that you can reuse your bubbles, your Christmas ornaments, and make it unique every year. So this was it for today. Have a nice Sunday and see you on the next one. Bye.